When sneeze, say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, why?
When we sneeze, our nose, mouth, and throat are done clean. Our sneezing speed is faster than 160 per hour, due which all dirt come outside which cannot come outside without sneezing. And mind become relaxed and all body become relaxed and stress-free.
What we need to say Alhamdulillah?
Allah took outside our dirt and disease, which no one can do, so we will not praise Allah?
Yes, we should do.
Therefore we praise Allah that He save us from diseases.
Achoo! Alhamdulillah.
Yarhamak Allah.
Achoo! Alhamdulillah.
Yarhamak Allah.